Success isn't random. Failure isn't bad luck. Both follow 12 invisible laws. And right now, you're obeying every single one of them, whether you know it or not. These aren't opinions. These aren't tips. These are laws. Break them and you pay. Learn them and everything changes. 12. Count them. Law number 1, the law of identity. You will never outperform the story you tell yourself about who you are. Your income, your relationships, your body, they all bend to match your self-image, always. Law number 2, the law of the vacuum. You can't receive what you want until you release what you're clinging to. Full hands can't grab new things. Let go or stay stuck. Law number 3, the law of reversed effort. The harder you chase approval, sleep, confidence, the faster it runs. The things you want most only arrive when you stop suffocating them. Law number 4, the law of mirrored reality. The world doesn't respond to what you want.